May sales pero laging kulang? Saan napunta ang pera? It was a good month. Mataas ang sales, masaya ang mga customers. Tapos, tiningnan mo ang bank account mo at the end of the month at ang pera hindi nagmamatch sa ini-expect mo. May sales naman, saan napunta? O kaya ito yung nangyayari. Maybe this has happened to you as well. Kumukuha ka ng pera para bayaran ng supplier, then bigla mong na-realize na kulang pala. Naku, lagot, diba? Anak, here's what I learned after many years in business. The most dangerous problem in any business is the one that you cannot see. Hindi yung malaking gastos, yung maliliit na expenses araw-araw. Walang record, walang system. So, many business owners feel this. Busy ang business, may sales, may customers, pero every month, parang may kulang pa rin na hindi nila nakikita. And here is the question that matters most right now. Do you know exactly where every peso goes after every sale? Because if the honest answer is, hindi ko sigurado, that is not a selling problem. That is not a staffing problem. That is not a customer problem. That is a cash flow problem. May nag-reach out sa akin recently, isang business owner na may milk tea shop. Sabi niya, Mami En, araw-araw kaming may sales, pero pagdating sa bayad sa supplier, parang lagi na lang kaming naghahanap ng pera. Kumikita ba talaga kami o hindi? Hindi na ako sigurado, sabi niya. Alam mo ba, so many business owners are in this exact situation. Busy, may sales, pero may leak na hindi sila nakikita. At alam mo ba anak kung bakit? Today, let me share 5 practical tips from 5 business owners who were honest enough to say, may leak pala sa cash flow namin, Mami En, at hindi namin ito nakita agad. Number 1, sales is not cash. Ang sales at pera sa kamay ay magkaiba. Pangalawa, busy feels like progress, pero ang cash flow hindi nagsisinungaling. Pangatlo, small daily expenses. Those are the ones that quietly drain you. Pang-apat, hindi mo maayos ang hindi mo nakikita. Pang-lima, the money was there, hindi lang na-allocate sa tamang oras. Let's just continue to be business-minded, Pinoy. Grow your business, Pinoy. Have you been running your business for years but feel like you're going around in circles? Anak, parang stuck ka, scattered, and you're not quite sure where the next right step is and what it is. So Grow Your Business, Pinoy is a book that gives you a clear step-by-step growth roadmap. It's practical, proven, and built for the realities of running a business in the Philippines. Wala nang guessing, wala nang doing everything and going nowhere. Just a clear path forward. Finally, get your copy now, anak. The link is in the comment section.